A very good day to Dr. Azhar. We are from Group 1. We present our assignment 1. Our project title is Social Media Usage Among University Students.
This is our group member.
The problem statement for this assignment is, over the years, social networking among students has become more and more popular. Many parents and guardians are worried that students are spending too much time on Facebook and other social media sites and have not enough time to study. So parents are worried about students' constant use of social media sites. Many students continue to utilize this site on a daily basis. Thus, we want to ascertain that the impact of students' use of social media site on their academic work. Okay, for the literature review, we have 3. First, Connie 2010, Mehmood and Tasri 2013, Kiss 2008, Jacobson and Foster 2011. Next, by Pempek, Yamalayeva and Calvert 2009. Then, Mascanel and Guadanov 2012. Mostly all of this about social media influencing the purpose of education.
For our objectives, we want to compare the probability between male and female university students that using social media for educational purpose. And we also want to find out the probability that the students use social media exactly 3 hours in a day. To achieve our objectives, we use 2 methods. The first one is intersections of events and the multiplication rule. The multiplication rule is used to find the probability of the intersection of 2 events, A and B, using the formula given. Next, for objective 2, we use Poisson distribution using its formula.
Today, I will tell you guys about our data background. We already collected data by using Google Form. They have to fill their gender, age, level of education, semester, and there's a few questions that they need to answer, which is how long you spend your time on social media a day, purpose using social media, and which of these social media attracts you the most. So here's the data that we already collected from Google Form. This is the answer that we collected from the question before.
From the objective 1, we want to compare the probability between male and female university students that using social media for educational purpose. From the data we got, we have the total of male students is 15, 5 using social media for educational and 10 using for non-educational. The total of female students is 25, 11 students using for educational and 14 using for non-educational. So, the total of sample size is equal to 40 students. First, we must find the P, F, and E, which is F stand for female and E stand for educational. And the formula is probability of female is times with probability E given female. Probability female is equal to 25 over 40 or 5 over 8, which is we got from the table above. Probability E given F is equal to PE intercept F divide by PF, and the answer is 11 over 25. Next, we need to substitute the value of PF equal to 5 over 8 and PE given F is equal to 11 over 25. Thus, the probability of females and educational purpose is equal to 0.275. Next, for the male students, we use the same formula to find probability for M and E. M is stand for male and E stand for educational. PM is equal to 15 over 40 or 3 over 8, which is also got from the table. Probability E given M is equal to 1 over 3. Then, we also need to substitute the value of PM equal to 3 over 8 and PE given M is equal to 1 over 3. Then, the answer for probability M and E is equal to 0.125. Thus, we can conclude that the probability of female students that using social media for educational purpose is greater than male students. Objective 2, we want to find out the probability that the students using social media exactly 3 hours in a day. First, we must assume the lambda is equal to 5 hours in a day. Probability x exactly to 3 is equal to lambda power of x times exponent of negative lambda over x factorial, and then substitute into the formula, which is the value of lambda is equal to 5, then the value of x is equal to 3. Lastly, the probability that the students using social media exactly 3 hours in a day is equal to 0.1404.
The conclusion for objective 1 is the probability that female students use social media for educational purpose is 0.275, which is greater than male students that have the probability of 0.125. Next, for objective 2, the probability that the students use social media exactly 3 hours in a day is 0.1404. Thus, it is shown that the students have used the social media for non-educational purpose. This is our reference. Thank you.